Hi everyone, good morning and good evening as per where you are. Welcome to the Aura VR Oracle 19c installation series. This is the part 8 to apply the patches on grid infrastructure and database. On the last part we had installed the grid infrastructure and database binaries, also created database using DBCA. On this part we will apply the patches. I will copy it into the temp directory. All the three respective nodes I had downloaded from Oracle. Getting started on node 2/tmp. Upload the patches. On node 3/tmp. Upload. Open. We'll wait for a few minutes. Patches has been copied. Let's first change the OPatch utility. All the three nodes. Close it. Let's close this first. Go to the grid location for all three nodes. Move old patch to the other directory. Zip -d node 2 node 1. Change the ownership. For the grid database home, go to the database home, move old OPatch all three nodes, unzip the OPatch utility. Change the ownership. Yes, you have one Oracle. Check the OPatch version 12.2021, 12.2021, 12.2021. Let's unzip the patch. Go to the temp location, ls, and unzip the patch. We'll wait for a few minutes. Unzip has been completed. Let's check. ls 31326369. Go to the location, check the files. This is the patch. pwd revoke into the command. There is a simple command /oracle home. Let's apply one by one. On first node, we will apply on node 1. cd set the environment. First of all, set the aura tab file. We don't have any entry. First apply on the grid home or inv plus asm. Check the correct oracle home echo dollar oracle underscore home. It should be apply. It will be apply on grid home. Copy the command, hit enter, and it has been initiated. Log file location on this. Again, one more log file location will be occurred. It's taking much time to apply the patches. Grid patch has been completed. Let's follow the same process on database home. First of all, set the Oracle SID. Echo dollar oracle home and apply the same command. Previous command take around 20 minutes, 19 minutes and 19 seconds. It has been applied. The patches, binary patches has been applied. Taking CRS down, apply the binary patches. CRS starting up. patch session successfully completed. Patch 355.218.087 and 188 has been applied successfully on grid infrastructure. We'll wait for completion of database home patching. DB home patching has been completed, and here two patches has been applied. 1355087. These patches has been skipped. It's for specially SFS and OCW, especially for Oracle rack database, grid infrastructure home. Let's follow the same process into the node 2. Copy the command, set the Oracle home, apply the command. It will take around 20 minutes. Grid home patch completed. It's take around 18 minutes. Let's set the home for DB home. To check the Oracle home, apply the same command, wait for a few minutes. DB home patching completed on node 2. Let's patch node 3, grid infrastructure and database home. Patching has been applied on DB node, database home on node 3. When you check this, when you see this statement trying to apply SQL patch on home, it's gonna apply the SQL patch, data patch hyphen verbose or data patch script into the respective Oracle homes. Let's check the log file and find out the respective statement against it. I will tell this file into the other session. Let's check. It's trying to apply the SQL patch into the Oracle home, database home. SQL patch available? Yes. If there is a no patch available, it will be false. Standby database false. Is the patching required? True. And below is the command sh-c. See, it shows the command. Go to the cd location, cd into location db home, Oracle home equal to name sid and the data patch hyphen verbose. It will shows the output from the data patch. Again, it's executing the command cd home. The Oracle SID is 3 and data patch hyphen verbose. Let's check the database session. Status on the database level, register $history. This has been patch data patch hyphen verbose is not completed yet. It's version 19 and it's applying the 19.8 ARU patches. Let's check from the SQL patch. It's applying the ARU patches, action time and the release version. It's in process. It's not success at 714 and this is the log file. We'll wait for the completion of command. Completed. Let's check on the database layer. Its status is success and 355 patch has been applied. Let's check on the registered $history. RDBMS 9.8. Let's log into the SQL Plus. Search DBA. It's showing 19.8 0.0.0. Now let's revoke the. If you check the log file after the data patch-verbose, you will get the correct information. Connect into database. Okay. No patches will be applied to the close PDBs. We don't have any PDB. You must remember, whenever you apply the command, before applying the command on DB home, open the pluggable in read write mode. After that, data patch-verbose will be apply the patch or capable to apply patch on the PDBs. It's not going to apply any read only or closed PDBs. Current state of the release update for the SQL patches 19.8 release update. It's installed on CDB root, applied on the templates. Both patches has been applied successfully. Patch number 355, it will be shows on a SQL patch command. Let's check it again. It's correct one, and patch has been applied from 19.3 to 19.8. Patch installation has been installed correctly, and here is the number how many patches has been installed. Let's calculate the patches. One for CDB root, one for PDB seed for the templates. Total 2 patches has been applied. Also check on the below, it's for the status: CDB root success, PDB root success without no errors. And you can refer the log files for the respective patches. For CDB, you can refer this file name, and for the PDB, refer this log file. Command has been completed successfully. Data patch SQL patch applied successfully into the DB home. On this session, we have seen how to apply the patches into the grid infrastructure as well as in database infrastructure. We have applied the data patch-verbose. If you this command getting failed, data patch command getting failed, you can apply the data patch command manually. $oracle_home /opatch data patch-verbose. You can apply this command and correct the errors. Thank you for joining us.